Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Slovakia. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Slovakia, a landlocked country in Central Europe, is primarily driven by mining, machinery and steel production, agriculture, services, as well as tourism, which plays a major role in the country's economy. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the more recent years, and as newer traders consider entering the markets, local investors should first find themselves a globally regulated, reputable, and safe broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Slovakia and worldwide can be a difficult process, especially when looking for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to Slovakian traders. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Slovakia. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Tickmill. Tickmill is an online, fully regulated financial broker. One of the reasons that Tickmill is so popular is due to this broker having a 100% NDD or no dealing desk platform, which essentially means that there is no conflict of interest between their clients. Founded in 2015, Tickmill specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals, and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts with low minimum deposits, over 80 tradable instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own trading educational center, which delves into topics such as market insights, various trading articles, fundamental, technical, and analytical panels, a comprehensive collection of educational video tutorials, as well as webinars and seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Tickmill. Coming in at number 4 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates for various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. Coming in at number 3, we have FXPro. FXPro is an online, fully regulated financial broker founded in 2006 with its head office located in the United Kingdom. FXPro provides traders with access to top-tier liquidity and advanced trade execution, with no dealing desk intervention, over 250 instruments, 70 currency pairs, and is regulated by the FCA, CYSEC, FSCA, and the SCB. FXPro specializes in services and trading through Forex, metals, indices, futures, energies, and shares. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, FXPro CTrader, and the FXPro Trading Platform, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on MetaTrader 4 accounts with fixed and floating spreads, a CTrader and MetaTrader 5 account with floating spreads, as well as corporate, joint, VIP, Islamic, and demo accounts. FXPro also provides their very own educational center, which features beginner and advanced courses in financial trading, a news and analytics panel, a variety of helpful trading tools, video tutorials, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with FXPro. Coming in at number 2 on our list is XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, and is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, while combining financial services with innovative technology and supporting a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in services and trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which features integration with NinjaTrader, and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delves into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Slovakia, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex ECN and CFD broker. Regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority, IC Markets specializes in office services and trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginner's guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Slovakia on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.